Good morning, students. How are you all? All are okay? Good. Very good. Okay, today we will learn accountancy. Okay, in the fifth lesson we are the trial balance. Okay, trial balance we know what are the debit balances. Debit balances we need to write in the debit side. Credit balances we need to write on the credit side. What are the debit items? Purchases, then sales returns, then all the assets, fixed assets, current assets, isn't it? Cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors, bills receivable, then closing stock or opening stock, okay. Then all the other fixed assets, land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, fixtures, okay, fittings, everything. Then the liabilities credit balance, all the current liabilities, long-term liabilities, current liabilities, bank overdraft, then sundry creditors, bills payable, okay, then long-term liabilities, maybe the loan, then that one capital. If capital is credit, drawings debit, isn't it? Drawings debit. Then we have to learn the some other purchases if debit and sales returns debit. So purchase debit means sales credit, and purchase returns credit means sales returns debit. Okay, sales and purchase returns credit, purchases and sales returns debit. Okay, so only this many things you have to keep in your mind to do the trial balance. Okay, now today we will see the next illustration, the last illustration. Okay, last illustration. The following trial balance has certain errors. Redraft it. Trial balance. Building debit. We have to check whether it is debit given correctly or they are given wrongly in the credit. Machinery. Machinery debit. Return outward. Return outward means what? Purchase returns, isn't it? So purchase return they have given wrongly. Okay. Then bad debts loss, correct. Cash, correct. Discount received. This one is income. So I didn't tell you, isn't it? All income, credit balance, all expense, debit balance. Bank overdraft, liability, credit, isn't it? Creditors, wrongly given. Credit. Purchases, okay, correct. Now capital, credit only. Fixtures, wrong. Then sales, correct. Debtors, asset, debit side. Interest received, correct. So if you write these for this side and this to this side, we will get the same total amount. You see here even then they have got the same amount, isn't it? Now do see the solution. Building, machinery, returns outward, bad debt loss, cash debit, discount received credit, bank overdraft credit, creditors credit. Then purchases debit, capital credit, fixtures debit, sales credit, debtors debit, interest received credit. Add, we will get the same amount. Okay. Now we will do the 6th and 7th, I think, the exercise. No, 6 we have completed, 7 and 8 we need to do. Okay, in this book, last year's book, they have deleted many problems. Okay, now we will see the 7th exercise. Okay, I will read that for you. Okay, from the following balances, prepare trial balance of Bhaskar as on 31st March 2017. Transfer the difference if any to suspense account. If there is any difference, that will be transferred to suspense account. Opening stock. You know, opening stock debit, isn't it? Then capital credit, sales credit, salaries, When I do, I will explain. Okay, now shall we do in the books of Bhaskar? First write the number. Okay, 7. In the books of Bhaskar, trial balance as on 31st March 2017. Okay, number, name of account, LF, debit, credit, symbol, rupees symbol. Number 1, opening stock. When you do, you must be little careful. Okay, may not omit any items. Then you will be correct. When you write the amount also, you must write correctly. Okay. Opening stock 40,000. Debit, isn't it? Then capital, number 2. Capital 90,000. Credit. Sales 1,77,200. Sales credit, isn't it? 1,77,200. When you write the amount, you have to write correctly. Okay, then salaries. Salaries expense, so debit 12,000. Bills payable. Bills payable is liability, so it is credit 9,000. So we have to start here 9,450. Then telephone charges. Telephone charges is an expense, isn't it? So we need to debit 2,350. Creditors. Creditors 16,000. Credit. Liability. Purchases. Purchases, that is debit 85,000. 85. So we need to write this 8, 5. Debtors, it is asset. So debit 25,000. Carriage inwards. Carriage inwards expense. So debit 16,500. Bills receivable. Bills receivable is an asset, isn't it? 20,000. Commission received. $5,550 income, isn't it? So 5,550. After commission received, cash at bank. 17,000. That is asset. Furniture. $19,000. Plant and machinery. $55,800. repairs. It is one expense. So it is also debit 550. That's all, isn't it? We have written all the items. Okay, I have added this amount. We got this amount. Here we got this amount. So we have to deduct this one. Okay, 2,93,200. We will get 5,000 difference. Okay, that one we need to write. Suspense account. 5,000 here less, isn't it? So we will have 2,98,200. Here 2,98,200. Okay, double line. That's all. Okay, students. Now we will do the next exercise. See, correct the following trial balance. Opening stock. Correct, isn't it? Salary is correct. Creditors, wrong. Bank, okay. Carriage inward, expenses, debit. Rent received, income, credit. Discount allowed, okay. It is a loss, okay. Purchases, debit. Bills payable, it is liability, credit. Then carriage outward, debtors, wrong, isn't it? Here, asset. Carriage outward, expense, debit. Capital, correct. Return inward, this one, return inward, sales return, it is wrong, okay. Discount received, correct. Trade expenses, all expenses, debit. Sales, correct. Building also wrong, okay. Okay, students, now we will do this one. We will draw line. Debit, credit, LF, then number. Okay, first in the books of not given, so write the number first. 8, trial balance. Trial balance as on, date is not given. So number, name of account, LF, debit, credit, rupees. Number 1, opening stock. ₹1 lakh. Opening stock asset only, isn't it? Then salaries. Salaries 36,000, debit only, expense. Creditors. Creditors, liability. So credit side, 1,32,000. 1,32,000. Then bank. Okay, bank 35,000. Carriage inwards. Carriage inwards. 18,000. Okay, 18,000. Rent received. Rent received is an income. So credit side 9,000. 9 just below 2. The 2,000, no? This will be the 9. 9 will be just below 2. So 2,000, 9,000 and the same digit. Then discount allowed. Discount allowed is a loss. So debit 6,000. Purchases. It is also one expenses. Debit purchases. 3,48,000. So 3 lakh just below 1 lakh. Okay, then 48,000. Bills payable. Bills payable credit. Okay, 60,000. 60. 60. Okay. Debtors. Debtors asset. Okay. 45,000. Carriage outwards. Carriage outwards 15,000. It is one expense debit. Capital. Capital long-term liability credit. Capital credit 1,63,000. So 1 lakh then 63,000. Okay. Returns inward. Returns inward means sales returns debit. Okay. 9,000. 9. Discount received. Discount received. 12,000. It is an income. So credit. Trade expenses. Trade expenses debit 18,000. Sales. Sales revenue income credit 3,68,000. 3,68,000. Building. Building asset debit 1,14,000. So 1,14,000. Okay. Now we will write. Leave little space if there is suspense account. Now we will write the total. Okay. We will add and write with pencil. Okay, students. Okay, this credit we will add first. 1, 2, 3, 0, 4th 1, 8, 10, 13, 22, 24. Balance 2. 8, 9, 15, 21, 24. Balance 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then this side. I cannot show all the numbers. Okay. 0, 0, 3, 0, then 4, 12, 12, 21, 31, 39, 39, 45, 53, 58, 58, 64. Balance 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 13, 17, 18, 21, 24. Balance 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So we have got the same answer. Okay. So now you can write that one. Here I do not have eraser. Okay. So I am writing here itself. Total double line. Okay. 7,44,000. Since you have the eraser with you, you can rub and you can write like this. Okay. Afterwards you, okay, with the pencil eraser I have. Okay. Rub this one. So our calculation correct. No any correction. Here we need to write total. How it looks neatly, isn't it? So you have to do like this. Okay, students. I think in the fifth lesson in the trial balance we have marked all the question answers. Okay. If any question answer I have not marked, and if it is easy you can mark and learn. Otherwise you can ask through the WhatsApp. Okay, which question I have not marked. Okay, students. Okay, I think we will start the next lesson, 6th unit, tomorrow. Okay, students. So complete these two problems in the classwork notebook. Okay, do it neatly and present it. Okay, everything you copy down from this notebook in your notebook. Okay, students. Thank you very much.